Look, if you're sitting in an 8 a.m. lecture right now, stressing over massive debt, stop watching fake TikTok gurus, brew. Lock in on making your first 100 grand before graduation.
Real talk, when I started, I was stuck in a sweaty dorm, eating cheap ramen noodles. But I built a framework. Crack the code to $100K, and scaling to $1 million is copy-paste. Yet, most students get a low-wage campus job making $12 an hour swiping gym IDs.
Then they throw their last financial aid check into some random, garbage crypto meme coin.
Or they try day trading in the back of class because some TikTok clown promised crazy returns.
Drop the illusion, straight up. That's a digital casino, bruh, and it completely wipes people out.
If you're starting from scratch at your dorm desk, you need a high-margin cash flow engine. Strip away the noise. Generating cash comes down to a few core paths. Let's look at Level 1. Level 1 is local in-person hustles, like detailing cars or cutting grass in wealthy suburbs. It's legit for quick cash. Clean an SUV? Boom, $200 straight in your pocket.
But here's the trap, bruh. You are trading your restricted physical student time for dollars.
When finals week hits, or you get sick, you can't hustle, and your cash flow hits zero. Then you got Level 2, physical products. Everyone claims dropshipping makes money while you sleep. But bruh, nobody mentions the absolute nightmare of global inventory and shipping delays.
Check the math. You sell a gadget for $50, but you only pocket 10 after ads.
And you can't even spend that 10. You gotta immediately reinvest it to buy more stock.
Your capital is straight up trapped in an endless cycle of moving boxes. It's a grind.
Which brings us to Level 3, the Holy Grail, high-ticket online services. This is the play. This right here is where the absolute real money is made today. Copywriting, B2B lead generation, or editing short-form video for massive YouTube creators.
Or running paid ads for local businesses, pulling in leads on autopilot.
Why is this the best route for a broke college kid? Because the profit margins are 90%. You don't need a factory. You don't need to stash heavy boxes of hoodies under your dorm bed. You don't need to drive anywhere in the freezing snow to deliver food. You literally just need your laptop, the free campus Wi-Fi, and one highly valuable skill. You can do the client work at 2 a.m. right after you finish writing your boring essays.
You get the global reach of a massive business, but the insane margins of a lean service. Phase 2, the $100K skill multiplier. This is the exact framework to level up. Now, I know exactly what you're thinking. I can literally hear you through the screen right now. But bro, I'm just a 19-year-old college kid. Isn't the freelance market completely saturated? If you want to transport a basic digital skill into a $100,000 income stream between your classes, you have to master the skill pyramid. If you miss even one element, the whole thing crashes. You will stay completely stuck on platforms like Upwork, literally begging for $10 jobs. Element 1. High ROI positioning. Businesses do not care about your age. They care about their bottom line. Let's look at design. If your pitch is just, "Hey, I will design a cool logo for your startup," you are competing with thousands of guys willing to do it for $5. You lose, straight up. But what if you pivot your positioning? What if you actually learn the psychology of sales? Now your pitch is, "I redesign landing pages to double your conversion rate." Think about it from the perspective of an American business owner making $500,000 a year. If they are burning 10 grand a month on ads, and you come in and double their conversions, paying a smart, hungry college kid $5,000 for a website revamp is a total no-brainer. You gotta stop targeting broke students who don't have a budget to hire you.
Target established local real estate agents in your college town, software startups, and profitable med spas.
Put yourself directly in the path of where the heavy money is already flowing.
Which brings us to element 2, value-based leverage. This is a game changer.
You will never, ever hit 100 grand charging by the hour. Let me repeat that.
An hourly rate literally punishes you for being fast and efficient at your job.
Let me give you a real-world campus example. Let's say you learn to run Facebook and Google ads, and you pitch your services to a massive off-campus student housing complex. An average yearly student lease brings them about 10 grand in revenue. If you charge $20 an hour and work 10 hours a week, you make $200. You're just a glorified employee. I charge a $2,500 flat monthly retainer, and I will fill at least 5 empty apartments a month. You just made them $50K in revenue. They will happily hand you that $2,500 every single month. The moment you tie your income to tangible results, the ceiling shatters. You're a revenue partner now. And finally, element 3, the irresistible outreach. Because having the skill means nothing if no one knows you exist.
Most beginners completely fail here. They send out cold emails that literally sound like robots begging for a job.
They spam 100 generic messages a day, get blocked, and then cry that the business model is dead.
Instead, you are going to use the free value pitch framework. It works like absolute magic.
You record a quick 3-minute Loom video walking through a potential client's actual business. You show them exactly what is broken in their marketing, and you give them the solution for free.
When the business owner watches that, they don't see a random kid. They see an absolute expert.
You've just built instant trust. All you have to do is casually ask if they want you to fix it for them. Now, let's do the math on hitting that $100,000 goal. It requires exactly 4 clients. 4 clients, paying you a flat retainer of $2,500 a month. That is a $10,000 month. Do that consistently for 12 months, and you are officially making a multi-6-figure income. But bro, I have classes. I have exams. I literally don't have the time to service 4 clients. Yes, you do. Because you aren't trading time for money anymore. You are trading solution.
If you optimize your workflows, you can manage 4 clients with 2 hours of absolute deep work a day.
And when it gets too heavy, you literally take a slice of your massive margins and outsource the boring tasks.
You build a micro agency. You automate the delivery. You become the conductor, not the entire orchestra.
Imagine sitting in a boring 8 a.m. lecture and your phone buzzes with a $2,000 Stripe notification. Imagine graduating college, not desperately handing out resumes, but already running a 6-figure enterprise. This isn't a fantasy. Thousands of normal guys just like you are doing this right now. The difference? They actually started. If you want the exact step-by-step roadmap to land your first client this week, but before you go, you need a massive mindset shift. You have to stop overthinking. Your comfort zone is literally costing you $100,000 a year. Let that sink in. The ultimate goal here isn't just money. It is absolute, undeniable freedom. That freedom? It requires a few months of intense, disgusting, undeniable hard work. You can spend 4 years partying and end up broke, or 4 months locked in and change your life. Once you land that very first client, it creates a massive snowball effect. Remember the math: skill, leverage, outreach. 4 client. You cannot be afraid of rejection. Rejection is literally just a data point showing you how to improve. Start seeing yourself not as a broke student, but as an incredibly valuable asset to the marketplace. So here is your immediate homework. Step 1. Pick exactly own high-value skill today. Step 2. Pick exactly one specific niche of businesses to target. Step 3. Send 10 hyper-personalized free value pitches every single day without fail. Do that for 30 days, and I guarantee your financial trajectory will completely alter forever.
Stop making excuses. Stop blaming the economy. Take absolute control of your life right now.
If this video opened your eyes, obliterate that subscribe button. We are building an army of young winners here. Get to work. I'll see you at the absolute top. Peace.